don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by Easy Pets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Jimmy Wabutokwa.
Tobela. Kitlo bona la bit.
Thank you, Arix.
Agalabo. Mara ke go thola fo wana klo bona ke tsaketse. Foto bona ke ime fana mo amfana ga tsagala. Ke ntoni ke na le mama le Pirates re di mo fugelo go moswa go komedi ona taralo ke football. O ka lebela coach ra bafana wa re nyatsha.
Yeah.
Lebela today. I don't know why you call Mufugeni Otome Benchi. I want bora man. That coach must go is old now. Why did you call Mufugeni? For what? That is a team. Tanzania is a small country.
Yes.
You call Mufugeni, the boy was playing the whole season in Pirates. Obana go jela go dusa was pesitawu. No, it's no pesita there. Now you call that boy, you put him on the bench. For what? That coach you must take us serious, my man.
Yeah.
I don't take us serious. No, utalaga parrot. Leave your boys home. He can go and do the better things. Why do you put him on the bench? Start Mufugeni. Did you see the game yesterday for Barcelona?
Yes.
Did you see that there's 270-old small boys?
Yes.
They play 90 minutes.
Yes.
Why? Mufugeni will put him on the bench. I know I'm a Paris fan, but give the boy a chance, shine, go to overseas. Simple. Now you put him on the benches, now he come the boy, the time is running. He can't do anything. But for him it's good because you don't take us serious. We must win, go to rankings up. But for us go up on the rankings. Now we will draw 0-0 with Tanzania.
Why is this Tibone?
Sure, sister.
I think now for my side, I think the coach also it like when the mistake. But if na ngibasanya go and tamufuge, ngibaskam me mu bench, afi bana ba bang chance. Because remember this is a friendly game. So if lorne ngibasanya go dlala mufuge, once ngibaskam meet. I'm on the bench. Afi bana ba bang chance. Since this is a friendly game. Exactly.
Yes.
So
o feel go wa motella o tela mfukeng asa a mo bitsa mo beya fatshe.
Forgive me o tshelletse le rena. O tshelletse le kaofela tsa South African. I really do all Galibam fan is Tanzania. Give the boy 90 minutes. Because now the big games they come in September to qualify with the World Cup. Now we are on the benches on the friendly game. When it comes to September, what is going to do? No, that coach must come serious. And it's any lot of money. About 1.8. Meter. Every month. Now, look, we want to see Bafana grow. We want to see Coco Millions. I'm happy for Slepe. He play nice, good. It's good to put him. But why do you put him down? I'm not crying for Mufugeni, but give the boy 90 minutes. If you can see the game they play Mufugeni, he never start the game. He come from the bench. Now, we play Tanzania. He still put him on the bench. Oh, that coach must come serious, man. It's painful. Now, my wife's calling now and say, oh, why are you now? I'm still busy, my phone. My heart is painful, my man. We engage because of that coach. And look, Polokwane is full. In Friday, people will play their live games. But now the coach, it's time for Fana to win 5. Gala Mufugeni, I want chef football. I don't want to see that boy next in Pirates. I want that boy to grow.
What was Sundowns?
No. I want the boy to grow. Did you go to Sundowns to grow? I want to see that boy overseas. Egypt today can go there somewhere. There, go there, play football, eat money.
Yeah.
He's still young.
Yeah.
70. Look at that boy for Barcelona. He's playing week by week. You see what the boy doing? Score goals every day. Liverpool Zaga. Zaga will kill you to death, my man. Mufugeni is still young, focused to play football. The man will come like that on the trees. Baba, don't run after the money. You'll die. Mufugeni is still young, play football, money come.
Yes.
You eat the money, come back. Now you want Mufukeni to go to Sunday, eat the money. After they sit down. No. Mufukeni must go overseas. Papaga Kosa, please, if you sell Mufukeni, sell him overseas. Not in South Africa.
Not local.
I like Coco Million. You see that boy? That boy, God give me talent.
Kamfuki.
I need to protect. You see this ladies for South Africa? Yeah. Pass up. That is our boy. He must focus at football.
Asa jola mara.
Baba, akajola mara. This 2000, hey! You must come down. Relax. Baba, Baba. What is Mfanelo Sanwana? Mrata Kudu, he must play football. Pinagabo Sobaye is still young. You want to see him growing before the fate. That game, man of the match, Coach Fana.
Hugo!
Yeah, it's a man of the match, that one.
Hugo!
Hugo. Now I can see why Chiefs, they call him Bamurua. I can see now. No, I like football. But in Tridian, it's wrong. Hugo Bruce, please. Tuesday, we want to see Mufukeni standing up.
Sure.
Thank you. We love you. Please support Amafanuit. Thank you, Jimmy.